Not my favorite doors.
Well, when I saw the address, I knew we'd be dealing with them, so
Yeah.
I mentally prepared myself for the 30-minute drive.
Wow. Yours is out?
Yep.
Wow. Alright. Just carefully go with it.
Yeah.
Stay low. That's good.
About what I expected.
Yep. See if we can get it out first. Alright. Let's bring it your way. Try to stay low, lean it as much as we can.
Yeah. Have you already taken the screws out?
No. We just stand it up before we go down with it. Just stand it here for a second.
Yep.
Got it. Just lay it down in here. Got it. Good?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright. Lean the bottom out a little bit. Good. That's fine. You see that drill over there? We'll get started.
tight.
Yeah.
Even the screw down's gonna add a bunch to it.
Let me look at it. How bad is the track?
Oh, it has 2 parts that are completely eaten away. You got one right there and then at the end.